What's up, everyone? Today we're taking a look at the Honor Magic 8 Lite, a budget-friendly phone that looks anything but budget. If you're thinking about upgrading without dropping a ton of cash, this might be the one. Let's jump in. First off, the design. Honor really doesn't miss in this department. The Magic 8 Lite is slim, lightweight, and has this premium finish that feels way more expensive than it actually is. The curved edges make it comfortable to hold, and the camera ring gives it that modern flagship look. On the front, you get a bright AMOLED display with smooth scrolling and punchy colors. Whether you're watching Netflix, scrolling TikTok, or just texting, the display quality honestly surprised me. It's crisp, responsive, and easy to see even outdoors. Now let's talk cameras. The Magic 8 Lite comes with a triple camera setup backed by Honor's AI image processing. And for the price, it delivers. Photos come out sharp, colors look natural, and portrait mode does a good job with edge detection. Low light performance is solid too. Not flagship level, but absolutely good enough for social media. The front camera also holds up well for selfies and video calls. In everyday use, the phone feels smooth and responsive. Apps load quickly, multitasking is easy, and even casual gaming runs without issues. If you're looking for a device that keeps up with daily tasks, this one gets the job done. The battery life is another highlight. You can comfortably get through a full day on a single charge, and when you do need more juice, the fast charging gets you up and running quickly. This is definitely a phone made for people who stay on the go. So who's the Magic 8 Lite for? Honestly, anyone who wants a clean design, a great screen, solid cameras, and reliable day-to-day performance without paying flagship prices. Students, casual users, or even a backup phone, it fits all those categories. In short, the Honor Magic 8 Lite packs a lot of value for the money. Stylish, smooth, and dependable. If you're shopping in the budget to mid-range category, this one deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.